Let's take a quick look at viewports. What we have here is 4 basic viewports which Max sets by itself every time you start Max or start a new file within Max. Now viewports are very important to the user because this is how we're going to access our data, is through our viewports. As you can see, we have a top view, a front view, a left view and a perspective view. This is a basic layout. We can change the way a viewport is viewed by right-clicking on the viewport name and going down to views, and we can change it to a front or a back, top, bottom, left, right and so on. We can change it to a camera view if there are any cameras active. We can change it to a tracking view, a schematics view. We can turn grids on and off and so on. Another thing we can control is how we view the view. We can view it as a rendered view with smooth and highlights, or as a wireframe. We can also view it in other modes. There are a few ways of changing your viewport layouts. We can do that under Customize, Viewport Configuration. What we have here is the ability to change how our viewports behave. But what's probably most important for the new user is the layout. Here we can see a 4 viewport configuration. We could change it to 1 big viewport and so on. But probably the most usable is the 4 viewport layout. Okay, the next one along here is safe frames. Now safe frames is to do with rendering, and we'll get into that a little bit later on. The active degradation area. This is how our viewport's going to behave by default. And the regions area. Again, we're not going to use a few of these very much.